Hey everyone, Twila here. Have you ever dreamt of ditching the 9-to-5 grind and being your own boss? What about setting your own hours and working from anywhere in the world? That dream is totally achievable. And today we're diving deep into the world of online income. We're talking about real, tangible ways to make money using just your laptop and an internet connection. Whether you're a creative soul, a tech whiz, or just someone looking for a side hustle, this video is packed with strategies you can start using today. Get ready to unlock the secrets of freelancing, affiliate marketing, online courses, and e-commerce. I'm breaking down each method step by step so you can find the perfect fit for your skills and interests. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, let's talk about why making money online is such a game changer. Imagine this. You're waking up without an alarm, brewing your coffee, and checking your earnings from the comfort of your couch. No more rush hour traffic, no more office politics, just pure, unadulterated freedom. But it's not just about the flexibility. Online income has the potential to be incredibly lucrative. We're talking about building a business that scales with your effort, allowing you to earn significantly more than you ever could at a traditional job. And the best part? The barrier to entry is lower than you might think. You don't need a fancy degree or a ton of startup capital. All you need is a willingness to learn, a bit of hustle, and the right strategies to guide you. Now you might be thinking, Twila, this all sounds amazing, but where do I even start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll explore several proven methods to make money online, starting with freelancing. Freelancing is perfect if you have skills you can offer remotely, like writing, graphic design, or web development. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients all over the world, allowing you to build a portfolio and start earning right away. Next, we'll dive into affiliate marketing, where you promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale you generate. This is a fantastic way to leverage your online presence and earn passive income. Then we'll explore the world of online courses. If you're an expert in something, anything, you can create and sell courses online, sharing your knowledge and helping others while you earn. And finally, we'll talk about e-commerce. Setting up an online store is easier than ever before thanks to platforms like Shopify. You can sell physical products, digital products, or even dropship items directly from suppliers. Let's dive deeper into the world of freelancing. Whether you're a wordsmith, a coding ninja, or a design guru, there's a high demand for skilled freelancers in today's digital landscape. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. You choose your clients, set your rates, and work on projects that genuinely excite you. No more boring office tasks or soul-crushing commutes. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have revolutionized the freelancing game, making it easier than ever to connect with potential clients worldwide. Think of them as your digital marketplaces for showcasing your talents. But how do you stand out from the crowd and land those coveted first gigs? It all starts with a killer profile. Highlight your skills, showcase your experience, and don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Next, craft compelling proposals that grab the client's attention. Demonstrate your understanding of their needs, showcase your unique value proposition, and clearly outline your proposed solutions. Remember, building a successful freelancing career takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to deliver high-quality work. Your reputation is everything in the freelance world. And here's a pro tip niche down. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades, focus on a specific area of expertise. This will help you establish yourself as an authority and attract higher-paying clients. Now, let's explore the fascinating world of affiliate marketing. This is a fantastic way to monetize your online presence, even if you don't have your own products or services to sell. Imagine this, you're passionate about healthy living and have a blog or social media following that shares your interest. With affiliate marketing, you can partner with companies that sell health-related products and promote their offerings to your audience. When someone clicks on your unique affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. You're providing valuable recommendations to your audience while generating passive income. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. What are you passionate about? What topics resonate with your audience? Find a niche that excites you and aligns with your values. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to find affiliate programs that align with your chosen market. Many companies offer affiliate programs, so do your research and choose those that offer competitive commissions and quality products. Promoting affiliate products effectively is crucial. Don't just shove links in people's faces. Instead, provide valuable content that educates and informs your audience, seamlessly weaving in your affiliate recommendations. Remember, transparency is key. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience, building trust and credibility. Chapter 4. Online courses. Share your expertise, change lives. Have you ever thought about turning your knowledge and expertise into a profitable online course? In today's digital age, online learning is booming, and there's never been a better time to share your skills with the world. The beauty of online courses is that you create them once and they can generate passive income for years to come. It's like having a digital asset that works tirelessly for you, even while you sleep. But what makes for a successful online course? It all starts with identifying a profitable course topic. What are you passionate about? What problems can you help people solve? Find a niche that's in demand and aligns with your expertise. Once you've nailed down your topic, it's time to create engaging and informative content. Think about your target audience and what they want to learn. Use a variety of formats like video lessons, downloadable worksheets, and quizzes to keep your students engaged. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it incredibly easy to host and sell your online courses. They handle all the technical aspects like payment processing and course delivery, allowing you to focus on what you do best, teaching. Marketing your online course is crucial. Leverage social media, email marketing, and even paid advertising to reach your target audience. Offer free webinars or introductory modules to give potential students a taste of what your course offers. Chapter 5. E-commerce from passion to profit. Ever dreamt of launching your own online store and being your own boss? E-commerce has exploded in recent years, and it's never been easier to turn your entrepreneurial dreams into a reality. The beauty of e-commerce lies in its scalability. You can start small even from your own home and grow your business at your own pace. Whether you're selling handmade crafts, vintage finds, or even digital products, the possibilities are endless. First things first, you'll need to choose a platform to host your online store. Shopify is a popular choice, offering user-friendly tools and a wide range of customizable templates. Etsy is another great option, especially if you're selling handmade or vintage items. Next, it's time to choose a product niche. What are you passionate about? What problems can you solve for your target market? Conduct thorough market research to identify a niche with high demand and low competition. Once you've nailed down your product selection, it's time to create a visually appealing and user-friendly online store. High-quality product photos, detailed descriptions, and secure payment gateways are essential for building trust and driving conversions. Marketing your e-commerce store is crucial for driving traffic and generating sales. Utilize social media marketing, search engine optimization, and even paid advertising to reach your target audience. And don't forget about customer service. Promptly responding to inquiries, offering hassle-free returns, and going the extra mile to exceed customer expectations can make all the difference in building a loyal customer base. Chapter 6. Practical tips for online success. Level up your game. We've covered a lot of ground today, from freelancing and affiliate marketing to online courses and e-commerce. Now let's dive into some practical tips to help you succeed in each of these online money-making avenues. For freelancers, time management is crucial. Set realistic deadlines, break down large projects into smaller tasks, and utilize productivity tools to stay organized and on track. Affiliate marketers, SEO is your best friend. Optimize your website and content for relevant keywords to attract organic traffic and increase your visibility in search engine results. Online course creators focus on creating high-quality content that provides real value to your students. Use storytelling, case studies, and practical examples to make your lessons engaging and memorable. E-commerce entrepreneurs, customer engagement is key. Respond to comments and messages promptly, run contests and giveaways, and foster a sense of community around your brand. Remember, building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Stay focused, stay persistent, and never stop learning and growing. And most importantly, have fun. Choose a path. that excites you, aligns with your passions, and allows you to tap into your unique skills and talents. Outro, start your online journey today. There you have it, a comprehensive roadmap to unlocking online income and achieving financial freedom. Remember, whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, online courses, or e-commerce, the key is to take action and stay consistent. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Start small, experiment with different strategies, and find what works best for you. The online world is your oyster, and the possibilities for income generation are limitless. So, what are you waiting for? Take that first step today and start building the online business of your dreams. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content.